Ready to solve the mystery of those popping knuckles? Let's crack the code. When you pull, twist, or bend your fingers, you're stretching the joint. Inside that joint is synovial fluid, full of tiny gas bubbles. When you stretch the joint, the pressure drops and those bubbles burst, pop. Just like that, you've got your knuckle crack sound. Now, some folks say it's bad for you, but science says it's mostly harmless. Studies show no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. Phew. But don't go overboard. Too much can still irritate your joints. So, next time you crack those knuckles, impress your friends with the real reason behind the pop. And remember, science can be fun and full of surprises, just like your joints. Keep exploring, stay curious, and keep those knuckles popping.